Hello and welcome to Muscle Investing, where we invest from a position of strength. Today we're diving into a powerful concept that can supercharge your investment returns: the investment snowball. I hope you enjoy the personal finance concepts reviewed and illustrated in this video. If you do and would like to watch more videos, please join my channel. After you've joined, click the bell notification box and you are all set. Please also consider becoming one of my patrons on Patreon at patreon.com/muscleinvesting. Now let's unpack the investment snowball strategy and see how you can use it to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Understanding the investment snowball. At its core, the investment snowball is about harnessing the power of compounding returns. It's a concept rooted in the principle of letting your money work for you over time. Think of it like rolling a snowball down a hill. It starts small but grows larger and gains momentum as it picks up more snow along the way. Similarly, your investments can grow exponentially as you reinvest your returns, leading to significant wealth accumulation in the long run. When you invest money, you're not just putting it away for safekeeping. You're putting it to work, allowing it to earn returns over time. These returns then generate more returns, creating a compounding effect that accelerates the growth of your investment portfolio. It's a powerful force that can turn even modest investments into substantial wealth over time. Starting small. One of the beauties of the investment snowball is that you don't need a large sum of money to get started. In fact, starting small can often be more beneficial in the long run. Even if you're investing $1, the important thing is to get started. Every penny, dime, and quarter you invest helps the snowball grow bigger over time. And as your investments grow, so too will your confidence and your ability to save more. Consistent contributions. Consistency is the fuel that powers the investment snowball. By making regular contributions to your investments, you're adding more snowflakes to your snowball, accelerating its growth. Setting up a schedule for investing, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and sticking to it is crucial. Consistent contributions, no matter how small, can have a significant impact on the growth of your investment portfolio over time. And by automating your contributions, you can ensure that you never miss an opportunity to add to your snowball. Reinvesting dividends. Another powerful way to fuel your investment snowball is by reinvesting dividends. When you own stocks or funds that pay dividends, instead of pocketing the cash, reinvest those dividends back into your investments. Reinvesting dividends allows you to buy more shares of the underlying asset, which in turn generates more dividends. It's a virtuous cycle that can significantly accelerate the growth of your investment portfolio over time. And the best part is, it requires little to no effort on your part. Simply set up automatic dividend reinvestment and watch your snowball grow. Harnessing compound interest. Compound interest is the secret sauce behind the investment snowball. It's the phenomenon where your money earns interest on top of interest, leading to exponential growth over time. The longer you let your investments compound, the more powerful the effect becomes. That's why it's crucial to start early and stay invested for the long term. By harnessing the power of compound interest, you can turn even modest investments into substantial wealth over time. Diversification and risk management. While the investment snowball is a powerful strategy for building wealth, it's essential to diversify your investments and manage risk effectively. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to reduce risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you can mitigate the impact of any one investment underperforming and increase the overall stability of your portfolio. And by staying informed about the investments you own, you can make more informed decisions and better manage your risk over time. Staying patient and disciplined. Building an investment snowball takes time, patience, and discipline. There will be ups and downs along the way, but it's essential to stay the course and stick to your investment plan. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't let short-term fluctuations derail your progress. By staying patient and disciplined, and trusting in the power of compounding, you can build a snowball that will continue to grow and provide for you and your family for years to come. As you can see, the investment snowball is a simple yet powerful strategy for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember to start small, be consistent, and harness the power of compounding returns. Thanks for watching this muscle investing video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and building wealth. If you would like to view and learn more, you can watch one of these videos next.